Power Shot Energy Treatment is an amazing liquid leave-in treatment. The key to using this product correctly is not overusing the product. So this bottle will do a lot of treatments. It is a liquid, so if you tip it out, it looks like water. So the key to using this is the little dropper top in it. If you don't squeeze it or shake it, nothing will come out. So that's how you're going to apply the product. The next key to it is to apply to shampooed, towel dried hair. You don't want to use another conditioner or treatment before it because it reduces the effectiveness of the product. So you're just going to, with long hair, the easiest thing is to swivel it around to the side and just sprinkle or squeeze a bit in. With short hair, pop a bit in your hand and then scrunch it through your mid-lengths and ends. And then you'll want a wet brush or a wide tooth comb. So anything like any of these is totally fine. And with Power Shot, if you use too much, you'll get too much of the positively charged product in your hair and it will make it feel a little bit dirty. So just enough product until your hair is detangling is heaps. And then use your wide tooth comb and comb it through, and then you can go on and style your hair as per normal.